Linking your bank account to Zaif is essential for trading and managing your funds effectively. Follow these steps to complete the process. Step 1. Create a Zaif account. Visit the Zaif website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password, and verify your account through the confirmation email sent to you. Step 2. Log into your account. Once your account is created and verified, log in using your credentials. Ensure that you have access to your account settings, where you will find options to link your bank account. Step 3. Navigate to bank account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter bank account information. Provide the necessary details for your bank account, including the account number, bank name, and any other required information. Double check for accuracy to avoid any issues during transactions. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank details, you may need to complete a verification process. This could involve confirming small deposits made by Zaif to your bank account. Follow the instructions provided to finalize the linking process. After completing these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to your Zaif account, allowing you to deposit and withdraw funds easily. If you encounter any issues, consult Zaif support resources for assistance.